In this video, we will understand how we have enhanced the order report in the super admin view. With this enhanced report, you will have faster access for everything. It is completely redesigned to load everything faster and to enable the historical data download in the Excel format. Now, once you reach to the super admin and click on the order report, you have the option here to choose any of the filters either by the name of the customer or by the order number. You can search the further detailed report about any of these two. As you can see here, you have all the details regarding this order. You can even click on the expand button to see the further detailed report. Similarly, for the customer, you can search for the customer and see the details of the customer here for all the orders that are generated for this customer. You will be able to see all the details here. Now you also have the option to either download this particular data in the Excel format, or you can even click on the download historical report and click on generate report, where you can choose the date filter. If you have multiple stores, you can even choose any particular one store code for which you want the data to be visible. And you can also add multiple filters here, like for the customer, for order number, and even for the type of the order that you have. Once you select the date range, let's say I choose a month and I request the report, it'll immediately generate a report within few seconds, which you can download and access the data for that particular date range. Once you do that, you can move back to the orders as well. As you can see here, the download data is ready for me to download. When I click on the download option, it has given me an Excel sheet which I can use to access the data. I hope you now understand how you can access the new order report at the super admin level to make things faster for you to capture.